No, you gotta do it to somebody for real. Don't fuck when, like, do it from far off. Get close to somebody. Look at that motherfucker right there. Oh, he's perfect.
Everybody put me gas.
God dang it. My adrenaline's pumping. I don't know why.
Dude. How much video can you get?
Oh, what? Dude, my adrenaline's pumping because we're going to blow up fucking horn. That's so stupid if you think about it.
I'm wasting my fucking gas to go blow up fucking horn. Oh, God. I'm scared.
I feel like we're on a freaking mission.
We are.
Oh my god. Dude, it looks like we're hauling ass on the video camera.
Because we are. We're going fucking 90.
Yeah, even though there's a car in front of us. Whoa! Oh god, damn it!
Oh shit, neither one of us are buckled up.
It's got a light on it and everything. Oh shit. I'm
Oh god.
Put your seatbelt on. For real.
It's not turning around.
I don't care. I'm fucking holding a goddamn flashlight pointing at him.
Oh god, here he comes.
No. That was intense. Of course a couple go by. We're going 80 and I'm holding a flashlight at the window.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god.
Dude, why don't you go?
So I'm scared, god damn it.
Why don't you go?
These people are behind me are so pissed.
Really?
Would you not be if he was behind me?
Yeah, but motherfucker. I'm gonna pause the video.
Was you really videoing that?
No, I am. Speed bump.
What the fuck was that?
I don't know.
I just started flying over the bitches in my truck. I wonder if it'd blow up if you like put this in front of a ladder.
Do I need to... God damn, I need to turn my light off because they're that motherfucker. I don't know how. Should I roll my window down? Oh god. Oh god. Did you get some? Pull over there. I don't know, that's an old bitch in that Dodge. Don't get her. God. This guy watching this car. Just pull through. Go around, then just floor it out.
He's gonna spray the shit out of it.
No, you won't. Oh man, damn it! If I wouldn't have had that there. That was so stupid. Oh shit.
Oh god.
Go. Get her. Why is this so funny?